If you want to become a mobile machine learning expert, then subscribe to this channel and check out our mobile machine learning courses available on Udemy. The discounted coupons are given in the description. And we will start with Python numbers. So in Python, in order to create number variables, you can simply write the name of the variable and then assign the value to it. Like here we are creating this v1 variable and assigning the value 1, and then we are creating this v2 variable and assigning 100 here, and then we are printing this v2 as well. So let's run this cell and you will see the output equal to 100. And after that, if you want to free the space of this v1 or v2 variable, then you can simply write this del keyword and the name of the variable which you want to delete. And now this variable will be deleted from the memory. So here let's try it. So there you can see now this variable is deleted. So if I add a code cell here and type v1, which is now deleted, and then I will run it. There you can see we got an error that v1 is not defined, and the reason is we have just deleted v1 here. Similarly, if we type v2 and print the value, now we will get the result because v2 is declared here and we did not delete it yet. So there you can see that. And now let's explore Python numbers further. So Python supports 4 different numerical types, and these are integer, long, float and complex. And here this integer, long and float are similar to any other programming language, but this complex is a data type which we usually find in Python. So in Python, apart from these integer, long and float, you can also create complex variables. And in complex variable, there are 2 parts. One is a real part and one is an imaginary part. Like if you want to declare a complex number, then you can do it just like that. So v3 is equal to 1 plus 3.14j. So here this 1 is the real part of this complex number and this 3.14 is the imaginary part. And you cannot declare this type of variable in most of the programming language. So here after creating this variable, we are printing its type. So let's run it. So there you can see the type of this variable is complex. And now let's print the value of this variable, so v3, and there you can see we got this value here. So that is a basic introduction of Python numbers, and it is only first of 5 data types which Python have.